4:33, February 17th, 2017. Well, I did go through the Chairgun Pro with the sniper light pellet, hoping to extend this similar numbers horizontally, like 222, 333, hopefully 444. But that didn't happen. That would require a very, very powerful gun to extend these numbers horizontally, which was what I was for. But two things happened. Two things happened, however, two positive things, that is. And now, before telling you that, let me just say that in order to do this, you'll start with like a far zero of about whatever the software suggests, and then you start to gradually, yard by yard, extend that far zero further and further until you reach similar numbers on 20 and 30 at different angles. This is how I do it, and this is how it works with other pellets also. Now, what happened was that, and this is like the scratch of what I came across. With the sniper light pellet 14 grain, it didn't extend horizontally. We only got to have like 20 and 30 meters at the same holdover or hold under. But what happened was, not only do we have this similarity at 20 and 30 at 0 degrees of angle, and 30 degrees of angle, which is what we had here at 0, 2 2s, and at 30, 2 3s, and at 45 we had 4 and 5 centimeters. But here at 45 also we have similarity, 2 and 2 hold unders, which is very interesting. So you're shooting flat, you just hold 0. A little higher or a little lower, you have to have 1 centimeter of hold under. 45 degrees, you have to have 2 centimeter of hold under. Very interesting. And well, at 60 degrees, it becomes 3 and 4, and at 75, or basically vertical, it becomes 4 and 9. But so it's very interesting. See, like this, you have to hold 0. If you're shooting like this, you have to hold 1 centimeter of hold under. If you're shooting like this, you have to hold 2 centimeters of hold under. Same story here. 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 0. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Very, very interesting. The other good thing that happened with this lighter pellet was that here, and I round up these numbers. Like here we have, like, for example, 167, which is rounded up to 2. And here, for example, we have, 212, which is again rounded up to 2. Same story here. I decided to round my numbers to integer numbers to simplify stuff, and it really, really, really helped. Now, on average, I have about, say, maybe 3 to 4 millimeters of rounding going on here in this range card. But with the lighter pellet, not only do we get to have 3 lines of similarity, but the rounding is much smaller too. About, 1 or 2 millimeters of rounding compared to about 3 to 4 millimeters of rounding, or maybe even 4.5 millimeters of rounding in this range card. So I'm hoping to get even better results here, because there is less of an error, less of an estimation used in this table, and we ought to be getting better results. I can't wait to get my hands on some 14 grain sniper magnum, sniper light pellets and see how it goes. I'm very happy about it. This is a discovery in my book. At least for me, I gave it a lot of thought, and not only did I come with a systematic method to put together a range card which is easy to memorize, like 2s, 3s, 4s, at your most used range, 20 or 30 meters, but also I came up with an even better version with a better pellet suited for this rifle. We really have a sweet spot here, an extended sweet spot, if you will. Again, at 20 to 30, and this might actually be at about 15 meters to 35 meters. You just hold 0, and then you hold -1, 1 centimeters of hold under, and then 2. It's very interesting to me. I don't know what would happen if I had an even better gun like a Diana P1000 with 40 joules of energy. I think we might, I guess we could, in fact, I guess we could extend this even further to 3 lines, like from about 15 meters to about, not 35, but about 40 or 45 meters. We could hold 0 just like that without having to mess around with numbers and stuff. But this is good enough. I'm very happy with this discovery. Thank you for watching.